the big boy. Let me show you what we got here. This is a pre-season cast iron 7-quart. Yes, 7-quart Dutch oven by Bruntmore. I'm not gonna lie to you, I actually have picked this up as a gift for a friend who's now into making sourdough bread. They're looking for a second Dutch oven to do bread with, and I basically said, hey, if you will supply us with sourdough, I will supply you with a Dutch oven. So I think it's a fair trade. Reason we picked this one up is we're always a big fan of cast iron. We love it, the durability of it, the long life of it. I know there's a few extra care steps that are involved in that, but you get a good cast iron item, and it is gonna last forever, which is why we absolutely love Bruntmore's cast iron. But also the second thing we love about them is they don't just give you a big old Dutch oven cast iron pot side. The lid is also cast iron as well, which turns it into a skillet. And so you have a skillet piece to this as well. So this is kind of a 2-for-1 sort of setup so that you can use this in different ways for your cooking. If you just need a little skillet setup, you're good to go. You grab the top to the Dutch oven and you can use it for making eggs or making whatever as well. Overall, we absolutely love this. We absolutely love the quality of these. We absolutely love how versatile they are, being able to be used in the ovens, on stovetops, on grills, things like that. So if you're looking for a good, huge, big Dutch oven, check out this 7-quart Dutch oven by Bruntmore. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I think you're gonna love it. Check it out.